Good morning, student. Welcome back to Math for Class 12. Uh, Exercise 4.3, Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of triangle you already earlier classes. You can already study that the area of triangle of whose vertices? Three vertices. So three vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. In 10th class already studied. Area of triangle equal 1 upon 2 is x1, y2 minus y3, x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y y1 minus y2. Okay, this formula already changed in the determinant form. In determinant form, this is so area of triangle denoted by delta. Okay, this 1 upon 2 1, suppose x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Use 3 by 3 method, so 1 1 is produced. This is a formula of area of triangle by determinant. First condition, since area of triangle or any triangle, any area of triangle or any areas is positive quantity, positive value. Okay, already no negative. Area is not a negative, only positive. So determinant absolute value of determinant in 1. In 1. Okay? Second point, if given the area of triangle, if given the area of triangle, or to both positive or negative value, given area of triangle, so use both use both positive and negative value of determinant calculation for calculation. Okay, determinant both value negative and positive value. If any area of triangle, suppose 3 is given, area of triangle is 3, so taking plus minus 3 value. Okay, number third, the area of triangle is equal to 0 for collinear points. Collinear points, points are collinear, then area of triangle equal to 0. Then area of triangle equal to 0. Okay, so now let exercise 4.3 question number 1 is find the area of triangle 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2, determinant 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, right, or 4, 3, 1. Okay, according to formula is equal to 1 upon 2 1 first row first column cancel, so 1 into 0 0 minus 3 into 1 3 minus 0, this is also already 0, this and this 6 1 the 6 minus 4 plus 1 this. According to this we can solve along expanding along C2. So this one 3 6 18 minus 0. So 1 upon 2 1 minus 3 0 this minus 0 plus 1 to 18 plus 18 is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 18 15 is equal to 15 upon 2 square unit. Okay, 15 upon 2 square unit. You can find also this type question. And question number, next question number, question number 2. So that a comma b plus c, b comma c plus a, and c comma a plus b are collinear. If any case 3 points are collinear, then become area of triangle equal to 0. Okay, if area of triangle equal to 0, then 3 points are collinear. So find 1 by 2 area of triangle. A b plus c, this one, and b c plus a 1, and c a plus b 1. Okay, so use a plus a b c, a b c, b c a, and c b a, this 1 1 1. Okay, so we find this equal to a b c, b c a 1 1 1. Yes, by property 5, a b c, c a b. Yeah, so find this subtraction, this value 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, and capital bracket closed, 1 upon 2 capital bracket, a minus b. Okay, a minus b, b minus c, 1 minus 1 0, b minus c, c minus a, this 0, c a 1. Okay, r1 tends to r1 minus r2, or r2 tends to r2 minus r3, and same in this value, a minus b, c minus a 0, b minus c, a minus b 0, c b 1. Okay, both lie in this formula. And capital bracket 1 upon 2 along c3. So this 1, this already cancelled. 1 into a minus b into c minus a minus b minus c and whole square, plus this value along same 1, this row cancel, a minus b whole square minus b minus c and c minus a. So 1 upon 2 this a into ac minus a square minus bc minus plus ab minus b square minus c square plus 2bc. Okay, and change a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, minus bc plus minus bc minus ab minus plus ab, and minus c square plus c square, and minus plus ca minus c. Cut 1 by 2 a square, this a square minus c square plus c square and plus ab 2ab minus 2ab plus 2bc bc minus 2bc minus ca minus this 0 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. Then area of triangle equal to 0. Therefore given points are collinear. Okay, true. Next question number 3. Find the value of k. This type question. Find the value of k if k, first part, k comma 0, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 are collinear. They are collinear points. So then area of triangle equal to 0 by the property. Okay, this 0. So 1 by 2 determinant k01, 401 and 021 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 by 2 this is also 0 or k 0 along C2 expanding along C2. So this row this cancel, this column this row cancel. 2 okay, k into 1 minus 4 into 4 equal to 0. So 2 is also 0, k minus 4 equal to 0, k equal to 4. That is your answer, right? And question number 20 is using the line. Okay, question number 4 is important. Question number 4, important question. Example 18 type. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line joining the point 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6 using determinant by determinant. Okay, only the 2 points are given, this point A and this point B. AB join. Okay, AB or area of triangle minimum 3 points are given. Area of triangle are 0 है, 3 points are given. So area of triangle equal to 0 for collinear. Collinear means linear. Linear means equation of a line. Okay, using determinant formula, no equation of line formula. So find the equation of line. So let P be the point on a, let P be the point on a line AB. Okay, so P is another point means third point. You are compulsory for area of triangle. 3 points are compulsory for area of triangle or collinear condition. Okay, so 2 points are already straight line. Find the equation. Equation is already used. Let third point. So P or this point also P. Area of triangle equal to 0 for collinear. Yeah, linear. 3 points are linear, that is collinear. So 1 upon 2, 1 2 3 6 xy. This that point sorry, P the 3 point of AB is x comma y. Okay, 2 dimension x comma y. So in equation of line is in term of x comma y. 1 1 this one equal to 0. This 1 2 1 3 6 1 x y 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Okay, so this is 4th question. Define 1 into first row first column 6 in minus y minus 2 and second row first column 1 2, 1 plus 2 minus order is 3 1 are 3 minus x plus 1 3y minus 6x equal to 0. 6 minus y minus 6, okay, minus minus plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Minus 6 cancel, 3y minus 2 plus 2y 2x minus 6 minus 4x equal to 0. Y minus 2x 0 or y equal to 2x. This is the equation of line. Okay, so we solve this type question already completed. Third question is third here is repeat and third question, and according to question already different, the find the equation of line, sorry, value of the k if the area of triangle is 4 unit. What is this as given? I mistake that these are collinear. Collinear, if any case 3 points are collinear, then find this type person. Or this point are given and area of triangle equal to 4 unit. So 4 area of triangle 1 by 2 base value k 0 4 0 and 0 2 1 1 1. This area of triangle equal to 4 unit. You in plus minus according to area of triangle property. Okay. If any case given area of triangle given, so then taking positive and negative value of a area of triangle value. Okay. Right. This 1 upon 2 and k 0 1 4 0 1 or 0 2 1. This divided by plus minus 8 equal to 5 value, and according to this along C2 this k1 1 k minus 4. Okay, so this divide 8 plus minus 4 equal to k minus 4 plus minus 4 value. Okay, taking positive value. So 4 equal to k minus 4. So then k equal to 8. If negative value, so minus 8 equal to k minus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 equal to k. Then k equal to minus 4. Okay, clear? This positive value plus 8 or negative value this side. Can solve this side question. Okay, thank you. If any doubt, you can ask 2 questions.